Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, very rough movement on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. And it's not that, today was necessarily shocking, I don't think, to anybody. I mean, going into the day, there had already been a very nasty downtrend. So today, like I said, I don't think really caught anybody off guard. But regardless, going forward, there's definitely a couple of key levels to watch from the technical point of view. First key level is the area of support, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of where did the bleeding finally stop, and it stopped on 3 separate occasions right down here at $2.45. So for that reason alone is the level that going forward, if this is some sort of bottom that's trying to form, because there has been a little bit of a bounce here, but if this is some sort of bottom, well then by definition, 245 needs to hold, because if 245 doesn't hold, well then that just means the price has gone even lower, which again would be the exact opposite of what a bottom forming would be. So for that reason, 245 definitely a very important level of support going forward. Now, if the price does continue to bounce upwards, then from the overarching standpoint, the level that really stands out to me is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 272. Reason that stands out to me is if you go back through the history of things, and it's not necessarily a problem of being able to break up above it. What do I mean? Well, you can see right there a couple instances where the price broke up above that purple line. Problem was it failed to stay above it. Once again, right there, was able to break up above it, failed to stay above it. So to me, that is the big question going forward, is not necessarily can the price actually break above that purple line, but can the price stay above it if it does get up above it. So keep in mind, though, that is a moving average, meaning that line is going to move downwards. So 272 right now, but as Friday and the next week plays out, that value is going to continue to drop in price. So keep that dynamic in mind. But yeah, those are going to be the 2 key technical levels to watch going forward. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.